Good morning, folks, and welcome to another wonderful sunny day here at Costa Adeje Tenerife. Today we're going to head to a bar called the Sun Inn for a quick drink. The owner messaged me and said that I should go because it's got a good vibe. Also worth pointing out, today's our last full day here. Tomorrow, unfortunately, we fly home. I say we fly home. We may not. The UK is expecting to have a 1 in 100 year storm. So like the worst storm we've had in 100 years, allegedly, when we're due to fly. So yeah, tomorrow's travel vlog will be us trying to get home and flying through a massive storm, hopefully. Yeah, but you may see that before you see this one, because that one will be time sensitive, so I will probably release that video before I release this video. Hope that made sense. Filmed tomorrow, but not necessarily viewed tomorrow. And if you watch last year's videos in Tenerife, way up there, the highest hotel in the area, that was us. Yeah. And just like that, we find it. It gets bigger through the back. Wow. Wow, didn't expect it to be this big. Look at that. There's another part of the bar here. Pool tables, kitchens. Wow. So there's a full food menu as well as the drinks. Look at the size of this. Oh, Yorkshire boats, giant Yorkshire puddings filled with a choice of fillings. Some menu that. Well, I've ordered myself a pint of Strongbow, but I wish we hadn't had breakfast at the hotel because the food here looks fantastic. We should have come earlier, not just on my last day. Dang. Cheers, folks. Oh, it's ice cold. Folks, I can smell the guy's chicken curry behind me. Going to have to order some food, and it's going to be chicken curry and chips. Proper chips, look at them. Wow. And a bit of chip shop curry. And it's just started to rain, but watch this. Pretty cool. Fantastic. Anyways, folks, that has been the Sun Inn. So see you all in the next one. Now it's time to do a job.